Wave at the camera, Mom.
Is it started?
Yeah, it started. Don't touch it.
You need to fill one of these tubs with snow, then tip it over, and then pick it up, and then let it freeze overnight.
If I haven't explained yet, this is just water and snow that I'm using like a slush mixture to create like a mortar to hold it all together. We call it snow glue. There she is, finished product. What do you think, Eris? We went ahead and we put snow in a tote, flipped it upside down, took it off with a mold, put some water on it, let it freeze like bricks. I stacked the bricks, then I took snow and water, put it in a bucket, and made what we call snow glue, but basically snow mortar. And built these kids a little fort. They wanted an igloo, didn't have quite enough bricks yet. I may continue. Maybe I'll make some tonight or tomorrow and put them up top. But got her all mortared and glued all together, and it's a pretty sweet little snow fort, snow wall. We'll have to see if we can get a video of these kids enjoying it.